Before we start using Evernote, I want to give you a brief tour of the Evernote layout and also provide you with the basic terminology that will be used in this training video. We're going to start our tour in the left-hand column of your Evernote dashboard. You're going to notice that this column is slightly colored left. This column is going to be different shortcut buttons to navigate through your notebooks and notes. First thing I want you to notice is the shortcuts icon located in the top of this column. Here you're going to find shortcuts to various notebooks or notebook stacks. Also below you will see that there is a recent note. The recently created notes are going to show up in your recent notes here. So sort of a running feed of the recently created notes in your Evernote account. Directly below that you are going to notice that we have a notes function. This is the viewing that we are in currently. If we wanted to move out and see all the notebooks we have created, we could select notebooks. And then you're going to see that all the different notebooks that are created for this account are located in the notebooks section. If we want to filter our view via tags, tags are quick search tiles that you can give to different notes or notebooks. You can see that we switched to the tags view. If you remember your notes best by the place you created, you could switch over to the atlas. You see that these notes were created via the atlas. Now if we go back to the notes function, now we're going to start looking at sort of our notes dashboard. Now we're going to take a look at the layout of our notes dashboard. Notes dashboard is the second column. You can notice that right now it's titled All Notes. And then you have the different notes created in chronological order, starting with the most recent note created in April 2013, and then going back in time from there. If we want to select a specific notebook, you'll notice that there's a drop-down arrow next to All Notes. If you click on that drop-down arrow, you can navigate through your different notebooks. For instance, if I want to select my English 11 notebook, you're going to notice that all the notes I've created for this specific notebook are located here. Next thing, if I want to organize my notebooks based on the tags that I have given them, tags are a great function to find notes. Essentially, they're subtitles that you can give your different notes, and you can search for them very quickly. So if I select on this tags, it's going to organize my notes via tags. So if I'm looking at E11 week 1, so my English 11 week 1, all my different notes I've created for that week are going to show up based on the tag. If I want to get out of that function, I'm simply going to click the X next to the tag button, clear tags. The next button that you have here will allow you to share your notebook. So if you are working collaboratively with another teacher or student and you want to share a notebook, you can easily do that by selecting the Share Notebook button. Share Notebook has a little arrow and it'll pop up Share Notebook right there. If you don't necessarily like the view that you're getting right now, the last button in the notebook dashboard is the view button, so you can change the view to some different options. Right now I'm in the card view. There's an expanded view. Show you what that looks like, so you can just see your notes. This is a great view if you're trying to find something quickly. Or there's a snippet view that kind of details them in chronological order once again, so a little different. So there's different functions that you can change those views depending on your personal preference.